In this video, installed Docker and Docker Compose and Python simple service run. The Docker installed command for sudo apt installed docker.io. Once installed Docker, the systemctl service enabled the Docker services. They enabled docker.socket and docker.services. Check the both are services status still running. And install next docker-compose. Successfully installed Docker and Docker Compose files. Create simple Python services when open the VS Code and create main.py Python script. This script print every 5 seconds once current date time. So import time and datetime packages and while true continuous running. When store now time the variable the package datetime.now, then print the value. Hi Docker and current datetime print. I am using f string hi Docker and now datetime print the current time. And the time.sleep use every 5 seconds sleep. Complete Python script. The script run docker inside to create a docker file. This file from which Python version used to define the Python 3.10. This image used run the script. And the work directory, the which location to the script is running, and the copy. The // means the first / the base machine and the second one the inside of Docker. Copy the all files the inside of Docker. The next file the docker-compose YML file. The version :3. The format structure, the services and the own name of service my_timer. When the service build context and the docker file defined, the build the context directory current location .class and the docker file already write the docker file the current location, so the / docker file. The another one the environment. The environment defined the Python unbuffered state 1. Logging drive syslog and the restart always. When the restart always mean the container inside the run program any type of failure to auto restart. And final command the command python 3 my script main.py and close that. Run the service sudo docker-compose -f docker-compose YML app -d. When the service once up, the Python 3.10 image download. Once this image download and again not download, this image multiple services shared. Service successful running. To the open the docker ps to run, the service is still running up to 9 seconds. Then when open the docker log, sudo docker logs -f the docker id. The services is running and every 5 seconds once hi docker in current datetime printed. When compose file defined logging drive syslog, so this container logs already redirected to syslog system. So tail -f where logs syslog to watch the docker already logs the printed. So check the every 5 seconds once the printed docker logs in syslog. The verify to the printed the syslog id to check the container id. Successfully installed Docker and Docker Compose and run the simple Python service Docker container. Thanks to watching.